This video, we're going to do a water test with a Taylor 4-in-1 test kit, reagent based. The kit comes with all the reagents you need, a large and small comparator with a lid, and directions, step-by-step directions, right on the lid. Ed's going to begin with a chlorine test on our showroom pool at Design.
Okay, so you're going to take the comparator and rinse and fill it. We're going to begin with the small comparator. Rinse and fill to the 7 mark. It says in here to add 5 drops of number 1. And then 5 drops of number 2. And then what you're going to do is put the top on and invert it. It's really important to use the top, because if you use your hand, you might have some chlorine on your hand or something. And then what you're going to do is compare it to the comparator, which the chlorine in this pool is about a 5. It's a little on the high side, probably because they added chlorine last night. And if it was a bromine pool, it would be a 10. But it's a chlorine pool. Right here, it's 5. And then, on the second text, rinse and fill the comparator. You're going to go to the 44 mark on the comparator. Reagent, number 4. And added 5 drops of number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 5. Put the cap on and invert it. And then compare it to the pH. It's about a 7.6. It's about a 7.6 or 7.7. If you had a pH was high or low, if it was low, what you do is you would add a chemical in order to bring the pH up. If it was high, you'd add a chemical to bring the pH down, which would be, acid or a base. The next one is the alkalinity test. That's in the green. Rinse and fill the comparator to the 25 mark. Reagent in the green here. Reagent number 7. Add 2 drops. 1, 2. And mix it. Reagent number 8. Add another 5 drops. And then mix that. And then add 9, drop at a time until it turns from green over to red. You gotta count the drops in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost, there's 10, and it turned red. And you multiply the number of drops by 10, and that will give you the alkalinity of the pool, which is 100 parts per million, which is ideal. If it was low or high, what you do is add acid. If it was on the low side, you'd add bicarbonate in order to bring it up. The next one is the calcium test, which is the longest test that there is. Rinse and fill the comparator to the 25 mark. Add 20 drops of number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You want to mix that up good. Yeah. Then the 5 drops of number 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mix that up and it should kind of be a pinkish color if there's any calcium in the water at all, which as you can see there is. And then add number 12, one at a time until it goes from red over to blue. You gotta count the drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. When you get to this point, you know that you're already good because it should be between 150 and 300 or 400. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Just about, I'd say, turning blue. 43. And that's what they consider blue. So that's 43, so that's, if you multiply that by 10, it's right at, a little on the high side, right at 430. It's okay to be that high, you can be up to 500. Any higher than that, you'd want to empty some of the water out of the pool.
Is that all of them? In each test kit, there is a water test book as well as the instructions on the top. Ideal ranges for chlorine would be 1 to 3, bromine 3 to 5, alkalinity 80 to 120, pH 7.2 to 7.6, calcium, as he said, 150 to 250.